Welcome back to Wheel Empire. Today, we are looking at one of the most luxurious SUVs ever built, the *** 2026 Range Rover. This SUV is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of luxury, technology, power, comfort, and prestige. From its bold exterior styling to its ultra-premium interior, every inch of this SUV has been engineered to provide a first-class experience. In today's video, we'll explore every feature of this incredible luxury SUV step by step. We'll cover its exterior design, lighting, doors, interior, infotainment system, digital technology, comfort, engine options, safety features, off-road capability, and much more. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Step exterior walkaround. The first thing you'll notice is the elegant and timeless Range Rover design. The body features a clean minimalist appearance with perfectly smooth surfaces. The floating roof design makes the SUV look modern and premium. Flush door handles remain hidden until unlocked, improving aerodynamics. Large 23-inch alloy wheels give it an aggressive road presence. Soft close doors enhance the luxury experience. The rear spoiler improves airflow while maintaining the elegant profile. Every body panel has been sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Step front design. Moving to the front, the signature Range Rover grille has been redesigned with a more sophisticated look. The LED matrix headlights provide incredible visibility at night. Features include adaptive driving beam, automatic high beam, cornering lights, dynamic welcome animation, daytime running lights DRLs. The front bumper integrates radar sensors and cameras for driver assistance systems. The lower air intakes improve cooling efficiency. Step side profile. From the side, the SUV looks elegant yet muscular. Highlights include flush door handles, satin chrome trim, panoramic roof, privacy glass, black roof option, power folding mirrors, heated mirrors, auto dimming mirrors. The long wheelbase version provides additional rear passenger legroom. Step rear design. The rear is equally impressive. Features include vertical LED tail lights with hidden design, electric tailgate, hands-free tailgate opening, rear camera washer, integrated roof spoiler, premium rear diffuser, hidden exhaust finishers. The rear lighting creates a unique signature that is instantly recognizable. Step unlock and door opening. As you approach the vehicle with the smart key, the SUV automatically recognizes your presence. The flush handles smoothly extend outward. Soft close doors gently seal themselves without slamming. Every door feels solid and extremely premium. Step interior design. Now let's step inside. The cabin immediately feels like a luxury private lounge. Premium Windsor leather covers the seats. Real wood trim enhances elegance. Brushed aluminum accents provide a modern touch. Ambient lighting runs across the dashboard and doors. Everything feels handcrafted. The dashboard design is clean with very few physical buttons. Driver cockpit. The driver enjoys a futuristic cockpit. Features include 13.7-inch digital instrument cluster, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, electric steering adjustment, memory steering position, paddle shifters, voice control buttons, adaptive cruise controls. The display changes according to driving modes. Step infotainment system. At the center sits a massive curved touchscreen. Features include 13.1-inch Pivi Pro display, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, built-in navigation, 4G, 5G connectivity, voice assistant, over-the-air software updates, Amazon Alexa integration, Bluetooth, multiple user profiles, wireless charging pad, USB-C ports, HD graphics. Everything responds instantly with smooth animations. Step premium seating. The seats are among the most comfortable in the SUV world. Features include 24-way electric adjustment, heating, ventilation, massage function, memory settings, power headrests, shoulder support, lumbar support, executive rear seats, business class comfort. Long journeys become effortless. Step rear passenger experience. Rear passengers receive true limousine luxury. Features include executive rear seats, rear touchscreen controller, electric reclining seats, rear massage, rear climate control, rear entertainment screens, USB-C charging, wireless charging, large legroom, panoramic roof, electric sunshades, premium reading lights, step panoramic glass roof. The panoramic roof floods the cabin with natural light. Features include power opening, tilt function, electric sunshade, UV protection, noise reduction glass, rain sensing closing. It makes the interior feel much larger. Step climate technology. Comfort is available in every season. Features include 4-zone climate control, air purification pro, PM 2.5 filter, cabin air ionization, humidity control, rear climate controls, remote cabin preconditioning. The system constantly monitors cabin air quality. Step sound system. Music lovers will appreciate the Meridian signature audio system. Features include 35 speakers, 1600-watt amplifier, subwoofers, active noise cancellation, 3D surround sound, crystal clear audio. Every seat experiences concert quality sound. Step engine options. Range Rover offers several powertrains. Options include 3.0 LIN E6 turbo mild hybrid, 4.4L twin turbo V8, plug-in hybrid PHEV, fully electric version expected. Power ranges from approximately 395 HP to over 600 HP depending on the model. The V8 accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in around 4.5 seconds. Step transmission and driving. Power is delivered through 8-speed automatic transmission, intelligent all-wheel drive, electronic air suspension, adaptive dampers, active rear differential, dynamic stability control. The ride remains smooth on every road. Step terrain response system. This is where Range Rover dominates. Terrain response 2 automatically adjusts the vehicle for different surfaces. Driving modes include comfort, eco, dynamic, grass, gravel, snow, mud, sand, rock crawl, water wading. The SUV constantly analyzes terrain conditions. Step off-road technology. Despite its luxury, this SUV is an off-road king. Features include electronic air suspension lift, hill descent control, low traction launch, electronic differential lock, all-terrain progress control, clear-sight ground view, water wading sensors, 900mm water wading capability. Step driver assistance technology. Technology makes driving safer. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitor, rear cross traffic alert, emergency braking, forward collision warning, rear collision monitor, evasive steering assist, 360 degrees camera, parking sensors, auto park assist. Step safety features. Passenger protection is outstanding. Features include multiple airbags, side curtain airbags, ABS, EBD, electronic stability program, traction control, ISOFIX child seat mounts, tire pressure monitoring system, emergency SOS, strong aluminum chassis. Step cargo spaces. The luggage area is practical and luxurious. Features include power tailgate, split tailgate, electric folding rear seats, hidden storage, cargo hooks, 12 volts power outlet, large boot capacity, perfect for family trips and long vacations. Step night driving experience. At night, the SUV becomes even more impressive. Ambient lighting creates a relaxing cabin atmosphere. Adaptive matrix LEDs continuously adjust to avoid blinding other drivers. The digital displays automatically switch to night mode. Everything feels futuristic. Step final verdict. The 2026 Range Rover is more than just a luxury SUV. It combines world-class comfort, advanced technology, powerful performance, intelligent safety systems, and legendary off-road capability into one extraordinary package. Whether you're driving through city streets, highways, mountains, deserts, or snowy roads, this SUV delivers confidence, refinement, and unmatched luxury. It truly represents the future of premium SUVs. Outro. Thank you for watching Wheel Empire. If you enjoyed this complete luxury SUV review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest car reviews, luxury SUVs, supercars, and future concept vehicles. This is Wheel Empire, bringing you the world's finest automobiles. See you in the next video.